So guys, it's very bad news. Look, Shania. So yan guys, itong last yes, yung last batch ng aming corn, wala. Hindi ako nakabalik dito ng ilang araw, pero ito na ang dinat na namin yan,
What even they done? Look, it's
yes.
Look, now ants are eating it.
Army of rats they called.
Now, look, ants are eating it.
Really?
Ants.
Ganyang ka grabe ang kumain ng mga rats dito. Yan guys. Talagang walang itinitira. Buti na lang nag-spray tayo nung mga ginawa natin, pinerment natin na spices.
It didn't work, so we need
But
more.
our first batch, it did work because we managed to harvest them. This is the last batch, and also because it was raining.
Spray something, rats.
No, we sprayed, but rain comes, so it disappeared.
Yeah, it's like the smell go away.
Yeah, that is what I mean.
The rats just leave there.
So yan guys, yun nga, nag-spray kami, pero ito hindi ko na in-spray ko to, kaya lang syempre last batch na hindi na ako nag-concentrate, tapos umulan siya ng umulan, kaya wala na. Pero nandito pa rin yung mga small mint yan kaya lang siguro dahil sa sobrang ulan na nga, nawala na ng bisa.
Bisa?
Yes, bisa. If you don't have visa, this will happen. So ito naman guys, yan na-harvest natin to. Nung huling punta ko dito, talaga hinarvest ko na lahat. Ito lang talaga yung last batch. Pero yan buti kahit paano may napakinabangan tayo. Ito lang sana yung babalikan natin para i-harvest. Pero wala na. Ayan talagang at least meron naman silang nakain. At ito guys, yan. Nina, look, this one, this side. This is different variety. This is not sweet corn. It's quite hard. Even guys, they are young, it's so hard to eat. I'm planning to make them really matured. Kaya lang, wala. Pati ito pala talagang dinali rin yan,
And look, some of the rats eat it and they
Yeah.
like it.
Wait, what? No, look. Nothing left. All. Oh dear. Yan guys, so talagang. And here, look guys, Nina, here they even eat the what is this? How you call this? The cob. The cob. Look here. All, it's gone. Even cob. No any evidence that there is a cob here. Oh dear. Talentado talaga itong mga and this side guys, ito naman yan, napakinabangan namin to dahil ito nga yung ating inisprayhan, pero meron pa rin tayo ditong meron pa rin tayong, yeah, look, this I think 2 left here. I didn't harvest straight away that time, pero yan, hindi natin napakinabangan yung isang yan. So ganito ang mga mais dito, hindi napapakinabangan. Yung mga English na hindi naman nila alam mag-spray ng spices, talagang naubos. Gaya nito Ayan guys, yung kaibigan natin. Ayan, ubos. Hindi ito sweet corn, iba yung tawag dito. Parang ginagawang rice corn. Ang plano niya, gigilingin niya yan, pero wala, kinain din talaga. So, at least I'm happy. Pero, Nina, meron pa rito pero sa daga na yan, kanila na yan. Wala tayong magagawa. And also, Nina, chili, we're going to harvest this chili. Ayan
These autumn chilies.
Yeah, chili. And also guys, nag-harvest kami ng mga natirang beetroot. Ayan natirang beetroot. So ayan, kahit pa paano masarap to, ilalaga natin. And also Nina, we're going to get the leeks. Come here Nina, lick.
What's it?
Lick. And I think meron ditong bagong owner Ayan nilinis niya to. Siguro bagong owner to. Ang galing, ang ganda pag nalinis ang isang isang place. Talaga makikita mo, yan ang daan, no? Nilinis niya yung daanan niya. So meron na tayong kapitbahay dito. Ito, hanggang dito kasi yung allotment ni Alan. Dito, papunta doon hanggang doon sa dulo. Ito nga yung bagong kapitbahay, nilinis niya. Hanggang doon naman sa kabilang yon. Hanggang doon, 5 poles to, malaki to. So Nina, kaya may natira pa kaming mga beetroot, pero maliliit pa. Yeah, you get one. You get one.
This one?
Lick.
Can I have
Which one? Huh?
tell
The
me.
big one.
Tell me which one.
Which one is good? They are growing actually. They are growing again. Look, new leaves.
Can I have this one? It's taller.
This one is will do.
This one?
Yeah. Anyway, it's better. Yeah, come on. Come on, lift this up. Pull it up. Yes, look. Wow, Nina, you're very strong. Yes.
Yeah.
And I think they're growing again. Look.
Look.
Yes, this will do. Masarap to.
Can I just shake?
We're going to cook fish curry with coconut milk and with this.
Oh,
this
I know it's only talking.
this is good, yeah?
Yeah.
So, yun lang guys. Anyway, happy ang mga rats natin. Kinain ang ating
They deserve
nadilang last batch na sweet corn.
Guys, I think so. I think so. Few days after is harvest day, and we're already harvesting.
No more to harvest, darling.
Yeah.
So, yung guys lang. Thank you for watching Bimbo Kanahog Vlogs. Please like, share, and subscribe.